Hey everybody, giving a review and demo of this cat litter mat. This is double layer and waterproof. And what I really like about this is that it's going to trap that debris beneath the mat itself and it peels up, allowing you for an easy cleaning process when it's time to vacuum it and get rid of that debris. There's other mats that we've had in the past where the litter and cat debris, things that they use with their paws and claws to scoop out will end up on the floor because then it gets tossed off the mat when we change out the litter box. But in this case, because it has those large holes in the top layer, all of that debris is actually going to go to the bottom layer, but still it's going to stay off of your floor. So we're talking about larger holes on the top, and that's key to trapping all that stuff. And it's also waterproof. So if you are having cats that are having issues with keeping it in the litter box and it does go on the mat, it is going to stay on that bottom layer and not get to your floor, which is nice. It has a non-slip underside and it's a quick clean process. So as I mentioned, when it's time to clean the litter box, or I should say the mat, you just remove the mat from underneath the litter box, you peel off that top layer which has the larger holes, and then you can vacuum up that debris and litter and anything else that's trapped beneath it. So it's designed very smartly. It has a waterproof bottom layer, as I mentioned, a double layer envelope design, and the very top is this honeycomb design that feels smooth. And as far as the dimensions go, we're looking at 15 inches wide and 24 inches long. So with having two cats, we've found this to be very useful and successful in keeping the bathroom clean, which is key. The cats seem to like it a lot. We like it a lot. And like I said before, it's designed in a smart way so that it cleans very easily. I like those large holes and the trapping layer. I haven't seen that with a lot of other mats and big fan of it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.